Hola, muchachos y muchachas. Bienvenidos a mi canal Spanish with Muchacha. My name is Daniela and I would like to help you to improve your Spanish. Así que empecemos. In this video, I would like to teach you how to conjugate the regular verbs in Spanish. In the beginning, I would like to mention that we have three groups of regular verbs in Spanish. The verbs with endings AR, ER, and IR.
So let's start with the first group of the regular verbs in Spanish, which has the ending AR. We have here the verb hablar, which means to speak. And first, what we have to do is to remove the ending AR. Then we have the stem able, and then we just add the following endings. The first person singular has the ending o. The second person singular has the ending as. The third person singular has the ending a. The first person plural has the ending amos. The second person plural has the ending ais. And the third person plural has the ending an. Yo hablo means I speak. Tu hablas means you speak, and it is used in an informal context. Él habla means he speaks. Ella habla means she speaks. Usted habla means you speak, and it is used in a formal context. Nosotros hablamos means we speak. Nosotras hablamos means we speak. The personal pronoun nosotros is used for males or mixed gender groups, and the personal pronoun nosotras is used only for females. So then, nosotras hablamos means we speak, we women speak, or we girls speak. Vosotros habláis means you all speak, and it is used in an informal context. It is used mainly in Spain. And vosotras habláis means also you all speak, and again it is used in an informal context. The personal pronoun vosotros is used again for males or mixed gender groups, and the personal pronoun vosotras is used only for females. And ellos hablan means they speak. The personal pronoun ellos is used for males or mixed gender groups. Ellas hablan means they speak, and the personal pronoun ellas is used only for females. Ustedes hablan means you all speak, and it is used in a formal context in Spain. In Latin America, it is used for both formal and informal situations. And in Latin America, they don't use the personal pronoun vosotros. Now, please repeat after me. Yo hablo. Tú hablas. Él habla. Ella habla. Usted habla. Nosotros hablamos. Nosotras hablamos. Vosotros habláis. Vosotras habláis. Ellos hablan. Ellas hablan. Ustedes hablan. In Spanish, it's not common to use personal pronouns. It's enough to say hablo because the ending of the verb indicates the person who is speaking. So hablo means I speak, and you don't have to use yo. We use personal pronouns in Spanish when we want to emphasize the subject or when we need to avoid confusion, especially when the context doesn't make it clear who is speaking. Now let's move to another examples. We have the verb trabajar, which means to work, and we have to remove the ending ar. Then we have the stem trabaj, and we just add the following endings: o, as, a, amos, ais, an. So now please repeat after me. Trabajo, trabajas, trabaja, trabajamos, trabajáis, trabajan. And the verb estudiar means to study. So again, we have to remove the ending ar. Then we have the stem estudi. And again, we just add the following endings: o, as, a, amos, ais, an. So now, again, please repeat after me. Estudio, estudias, estudia, estudiamos, estudiáis, estudian. It would be great when you try to conjugate these verbs at home. Bailar means to dance. Cantar means to sing. Escuchar, to listen. Tomar, to take. And viajar, to travel. Yeah, and you just remove the ending and then you just add these endings. Yeah. So now let's move to the second group of regular verbs in Spanish. We can see the verb comer, which means to eat. And again, we have to remove the ending er. Then we have the stem com. And then we just add the following endings. The first person singular has the ending o. The second person singular has the ending s. The third person singular has the ending e. The first person plural has the ending emos. The second person plural has the ending eis. And the third person plural has the ending n. So, como, it means I eat. Comes means you eat, and it is used in an informal context. Él come means he eats. Ella come means she eats. Usted come means you eat, and it is used in a formal context. Nosotros comemos, we eat. Vosotros coméis, you all eat, and it is used in an informal context in Spain. Ellos comen, they eat. Ellas comen, they eat. Ustedes comen, you all eat, and it is used in a formal context in Spain, and in Latin America it is used in a formal situation or also in an informal one. So now please repeat after me. Como, comes, come, comemos, coméis, comen. Let's see another examples. The verb beber means to drink, and again we have to remove the ending er. Then we have the stem beb, and then we just add the following endings: o, s, e, emos, eis, n. So now please repeat after me. bebo, bebes, bebe, bebemos, bebéis, beben. And the verb aprender. Aprender means to learn. And again, we have to remove the ending er. We have the stem aprend. And we just add the following endings. O, S, E, emos, eis, en. So now again, please repeat after me. Aprendo, aprendes, aprende, aprendemos, aprendéis, aprenden. And again, it would be great when you try to conjugate these verbs at home. The verb beber, it means to drink, so you can then easily check it because we have already done this verb. Comprender, to understand. Vender, to sell. And you can also again try this verb aprender, which means to learn. Now, let's move to the third group of regular verbs, which has the ending ir. The verb viver means to live. And again, we have to remove the ending ir. Then we have the stem with. And we just add the following endings. The first person singular has the ending o. The second person singular has the ending s. The third person singular has the ending e. The first person plural has the ending imos. The second person plural has the ending is. And the third person plural has the ending n. Yo vivo means I live. Tu vives means you live, and it is used in an informal context. El vive means he lives. Ella vive means she lives. Usted vive means you live, and it is used in a formal context. Nosotros vivimos means we live. Vosotros vivís means you all live, and it is used in an informal context in Spain. Ellos viven means they live. Ellas viven means they live. And ustedes viven means you all live in a formal context in Spain. And in Latin America, it is used in a formal and also in an informal situation. So now please repeat after me. Vivo, vives, vive, vivimos, vivís, viven. Let's see another example. The verb escribir means to write. And again, we have to remove the ending ir. Then we have the stem escrib. And we just add the following endings. O, S, E, imos, is, en. Now, please repeat after me. Escribo, escribes, escribe, escribimos, escribís, escriben. And you can again try to conjugate these verbs at home. The verb escribir, to write, we have already done right now. The verb decidir means to decide. Describir, to describe. And abrir means to open. So that's all for today. I hope that you understand how to conjugate the regular verbs in Spanish. It would be great when you try to conjugate every day few verbs, and you will see that you are going to get better and better. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you liked it, so please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you. Bye.